This double-sided cutting board has been incredibly practical in my kitchen. On side is stainless steel, which is I use it for cutting rough meat and chicken. The other side is food-grade plastic for vegetables and cooking foods. Having both sides keeps everything separate and hydrating. The stainless steel side are really durable, doesn't scratch easily and cleans up perfectly. The plastic side has a built-in juicy groove around the edge that catches liquid when you're cutting juicy stuff like tomatoes or meat. Where also little garlic grinder area which is surprisingly useful. The board is a good size 16 by 11 inches, plenty of room to work. It's got non-slip feet on the bottom so it stays put while you're chopping. Cleaning is easy, just rinse it off or throw it in the dishwasher. The handles on top makes it easy to flip and carry. It's nice and lightweight but feels solid. My wife actually gave this to me as a Christmas gift. But and it's come on my god, the cutting board for pretty much everything.